So here's how to make your Google Chrome browser look better by applying different themes and customizations. So first you want to click on the three vertical dots and then go to settings and then go to appearance. Now from here you can pick a theme by clicking on the theme, and then you can choose the theme that you like. For example, dark theme that I have chose. You can also set it based on your device theme. You can choose light theme as well if you like. And then from here, you can choose custom colors if you want, or you can enable this checkbox to follow your device colors. For example, your Windows colors for the primary and secondary colors. And you can also click on the toolbar down here and customize the layout of the toolbar at the top. So you can display a home button. You can also display a forward button or hide it. You can also display an icon to open the incognito mode from here. And you can also display Google Password Manager and other stuff such as the history, the downloads, to be directly accessible from here without looking for it in the menu. You can also add a button to delete the browsing data or browsing history, as well as other tools and actions for copying links and translating and doing a bunch of different stuff. And from the menu in the middle, you can as well customize if you want to show the bookmarks at the bottom like this, or hide it. And you can also choose to show tab groups in the bookmarks bar and customize a bunch of other things such as the side panel position and the font size and the page zoom by default. You can also customize the browser font from here. Now, if you don't like that and you want to revert back to the default settings, you can click on Reset to Default, and that should reset all the settings back to default, so you can fix whatever you broke by modifying the settings. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.